Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your BitLocker recovery key safely with Microsoft account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your BitLocker recovery keys safely using your Microsoft account, begin by ensuring you are logged into your Windows device. Open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon on your taskbar. Type Manage BitLocker in the search bar and select it from the search results. In the BitLocker Drive encryption window, locate the drive you wish to manage. Click on the option labeled Backup Your Recovery Key next to the drive. You will be presented with several options for saving the recovery key. Choose Save to your Microsoft account. The system will prompt you to log into your Microsoft account if you aren't already logged in. Follow the prompts to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, the recovery key will be uploaded securely to your account. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your recovery key has been saved. To verify, visit the Microsoft Account Recovery Key webpage by navigating to account.microsoft.com. Sign in again if prompted, using the same Microsoft account. In your account settings, find the option for devices or security. Look for the BitLocker Recovery Keys section. Here, you should see the recovery key associated with your device listed. For added security, ensure you log out of your Microsoft account after verifying. Your BitLocker recovery key is now safely stored in your Microsoft account, allowing you to retrieve it when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.